Hello everybody, how's it going? The day number 13 of May LeetCoding challenge, remove k digits, is the problem for today. So I decided to split this video into two parts. First, we discuss the approach to this problem, how greedy algorithm works here. And then I highlight some important stuff here at the code section. So if you're interested in C++ solution to this problem, please keep watching this video and make sure you hit the like button. We're given a non-negative integer represented as a string. We need to remove k digits, exactly k digits from the number so that the new number is the smallest possible. So for instance, here we can remove these 3 digits, 4, 3, 2, and we'll get 1, 2, 1, 9 is the smallest possible number here. So another example, we have to make sure that we don't have any leading zeros here. So if we remove 1, we also have to eliminate this leading zero. So the smallest possible number is 200. And here we just remove all the digits since we have k equals 2, and we'll have to return 0. Now I believe this problem makes sense. Probably you've already seen this problem since you were watching the video about it. And now let's talk about the approach. So in this example, imagine that we put all these numbers as points on a plot. So what we need to do in this problem, we need to eliminate this negative trend. So we need to get rid of this negative trend. And we have to keep doing this until we have enough k. So in this example, it's pretty simple. We have exactly 3 points, and if we get rid of them, the digits form the smallest possible number. You can create more examples, and you can make sure that it actually works. This greedy approach, it always leads to the optimal solution. And now let's talk about how do we implement this. Create a new string s. I'll be storing the result here, and actually it serves me as a stack. So here I'll check all the characters from this string, and let's talk more about these different conditions. So first of all, if the stack is empty, we just have to push the first character, which is started. So here we have to make sure that we have something to remove. So k has to be greater than 0. And this thing makes sure, so this thing tells us that it's a negative trend. So if it's a negative trend, we have to remove characters, and we have to keep doing this. That's why we're using while loop here. We have to keep doing this if we still in the negative trend, or also if we still have something left to remove. So that's why we decreasing k here. And that's it. So here we just need to erase all leading zeros, and also we have to make sure that if we still have something left to remove, we just have to remove it from the back. It's the only option that we have until we checked all the characters. Then if the string is empty, it might be a case we just have to return 0. We don't have to return an empty string. And if it's not empty, we just return the result, which we already have. That's it. Quick recap of what's going on here. My name is Victor, I'm a software engineer, and I'm taking part in May LeetCoding challenge. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the like button.